Well, welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about the 5 things to do before moving into your new home. Do you know anyone who is planning on a move soon? Go ahead and tag them in the comments below so these items can be addressed to them and put on their must-to-do list. Number 1, test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. This should be one of the first things that you do to protect your home and keep your family safe. Have extra batteries on hand and consider updating these smart devices for extra safety. While you're at it, purchase some fire extinguishers for your home and know how to use them. All right, number 2, change the locks. This is a standard safety measure to take, but can't be done until after closing. Swing by your local hardware store and pick up some new locks before that big move-in day so that you can get it all taken care of right away. Number 3, get to know the house. Get to know. Make sure you know where major things are located, as much like the circuit breaker and the main shutoff for the water valve. It's better to be prepared rather than waiting until when you need to figure it out during an emergency. Okay, number 4, mail. Forward your mail. This sounds like common sense, but the U.S. Postal Service will stop forwarding mail 6 months after you've moved. So make sure that you are receiving everything you need and get this taken care of ASAP. Number 5, do a deep clean and tackle larger paint projects. The best time to do this, a deep clean, is when the house is completely empty and free from large furniture. You could even hire a cleaning service to do one of the big cleans before you move in that day. So if you don't have one, don't worry about it. Is there room that you want to paint right away? Well, consider picking out the colors and painting before you move all that furniture in there. So it'll make the process so much easier. And, well, there you go. There you have it. And don't forget, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite Q Realty agent, and we're in and around Central Ohio, keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.